Are you looking for a golf club? In this video, I will show you the 5 best golf clubs based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the Callaway Golf Men's Strata Set. Strata Complete Set is a 12-piece golf set, featuring a driver, a fairway wood, a hybrid for irons, a wedge, a putter, a lightweight stand bag, and 2 head covers. A full set with a great combination of distance and forgiveness right out of the box. Offers the performance men want for their game, and an eye-catching look that suits their style. The 4th product on the list is the Wilson Men's Complete Golf Club. Premium components and precision engineering make golf more enjoyable to play. Wilson Deep Red Tour's Complete Golf Club set features engineered components for superior performance. A complete golf club set for better golfers looking for great equipment and a lightweight premium bag with head covers. Enhance your on-course enjoyment with the quality engineering and super game improvement design of this set. This complete package delivers everything you need to start playing today. The 3rd product on the list is the Precise M3 Men's Golf Clubs. Golf is one of those games that scares beginners off pretty easily. It takes a lot of time, commitment, and of course, practice. However, Precise has created a golf club set specifically for beginners. Not only that, this set may actually make it easier for you to learn and start enjoying the game. Of course, the Precise M5 Golf Club set won't be a good fit for every kind of player. That's why we took it upon ourselves to provide an in-depth analysis of this set for anyone who may be interested in purchasing it. Will the Precise M5 set be right for you? Read on to find out. The 2nd product on the list is the Callaway Maverick Max Iron. For the first time, we're using artificial intelligence in an iron. We've created a sophisticated face architecture that's unique to every loft, so we can create a significant boost in ball speed and increased spin robustness off of every iron. The custom tungsten-infused weights in each iron allow us to locate the position of the CG in each iron with extraordinary precision, while still maintaining ball speed in the flash face cup. The 1st product on the list is the Callaway Women's Strata Golf Set. The Strata 11-piece Women's Complete Golf Set is designed to give you maximum performance right out of the box for more confidence from tee to green. The lightweight 460 cubic centimeters forged driver, fairway wood, hybrid, irons, and putter make up a set that's specifically designed to give women a great combination of distance, forgiveness, and control with clubs that are very easy to hit. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.